All right, guys, we got a 2010 Toyota Scion TC, 4-cylinder. You guys can see right there. What we got done on it was too loud for them. Got factory converter there, another manifold converter up there somewhere. Anyways, what we did is we put them a vibrant, quiet flow muffler. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues all the way back. And we did a muffler delete back in about 6 months ago. And the muffler usually comes like from here all the way to there. It's a huge muffler. So we just cut it off and put them a sleeve and a new double-walled stainless steel tip out the back right there to complete the look. There it is. All right, he wanted it about 50% quieter. The regular vibrant bottles are not as quiet as the quiet flow. The quiet flow is a lot quieter than it. It's about 50% quiet. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Better? Yeah. So you guys can see it's still loud, but a lot quieter than it was. So the noise is in the back now, not in the center anymore. He was complaining he was hearing it too loud inside. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, there's a lot of construction going on over here. Nice car too, it's clean. Nice lowered, clean kit. We just finished this G8. We got a few videos on this one already. A hanger broke on it, so we fixed it for him. Go ahead. Again. Yeah, it's a lot quieter than it was. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Scion TC. I'm gonna give you guys a double header again. There she goes. And now the G8. Sounds so good.